Okay, hello dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3. It is number 3. Okay, exercise 6.3. It's totally the chapter of hyperbola. Okay, and we have learned all the basic concepts of hyperbola in our previous classes. So today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 number 3. Okay, the question is, show that the equation 9x square minus 16y square minus 18x minus 64y minus 199 equal to 0 represents a hyperbola. Find its center, vertices, eccentricity, foci and length of axis. Okay, so at first we have to show the equation. Okay, given equation is this. It is 9x square minus 16y square, then where it is, minus 18x minus 64y, and lastly it is minus 199 is equal to 0. It represents a hyperbola. Okay, we have to show it represents a hyperbola. Okay, and we know the general equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. General equation of hyperbola is this. So here there are the negative sign. Okay, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So that means we need this format. Whatever, it could be x square by a square minus y square by b square, or y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to reform this equation. Okay, it is 9x square minus 18x minus 16y square minus 64y minus 199 is equal to 0. Okay, we are taking 9 as a common from these two terms and 16 as a common from these two terms. Okay, and we take 199 in the right side. Okay, okay, now it is 9x square minus 2x plus 1. We are trying to convert it into whole square form, x minus 1 x a minus b whole square. So x square minus 2x plus 1, we will get x minus 1 whole square. That's why we add 1, okay, with x square minus 2x. And for making a perfect square number, we add 4 with y square plus 4y. Okay, now it is 199. Here it is 9 ones are 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9. That's why positive 9 should be here. Okay, and also it is 16 fours are 64 minus 64. We also write minus 64 in right side. Okay, okay, now it will be like this: 9 into x minus 1 whole square minus 16 into y plus 2 whole square, and it will be 144. Okay, look it again. It is 199 plus 9 minus 64. Okay, 208 minus 64, it will be 144. Okay, okay, fine. It is x minus 1 whole square minus 16 into y plus 2 whole square is equal to 144. Okay, now we divide both sides by 144. Okay, 16 into y minus 1 whole square divided by 144 is equal to 1. So as a result, it will be x minus 1 whole square by 144 divided by 9, it will be 16, and minus 16 144 divided by 16, it will be 9. It is y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. So it represents, it's look like this, okay, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, okay. So which represents a hyperbola, okay, which represents a hyperbola. So it is proved, okay. We have proved our first portion, okay. We proved the first portion. It is x square by s square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, which represents a hyperbola. Okay, so we proved that, and now we have to find its center, vertices, eccentricity, foci, and length of axis, okay. We are finding out it gradually. Find its center, okay. It is x minus 1 whole square by 16 minus y minus, sorry, it should be y plus 2. Minor mistake has been done. It is y plus 2, sorry, y plus 2. Okay. X minus 1 whole square by 16 minus y plus 2 whole square by 9 is equal to 1. It is our hyperbola. Now we have to find its center, okay. So we know the center of a hyperbola is 0 0. Anyway, now we are trying to convert it in a general form. Okay, wait. We will find out the center and the other. One implies it is x minus 1 whole square, 16 square is 4 square, and y plus 2 whole square by 3 square is equal to 1. So here, comparing with the general equation, a is 4 and b is 3, okay. A is 4 and b is 3, and we know the center, okay. Anyway, center is 0 0, that means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, we should do another thing before writing it. It will be capital X square by 4 square and capital Y square by 3 square is equal to 1. Let x minus 1 is equal to x and y plus 2 is equal to y, okay. Here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3, okay. Now center, we know the center is 0 0, that means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 also, okay. X is what? X is x minus 1 equal to 0, that means x is equal to 1, and y is y plus 2 is equal to 0, that means y equal to minus 2. Ultimately center is 1 and minus 2, okay. Center is 1 and minus 2, okay. So we get the center is 1 and minus 2. Now we have to find out vertices, center, vertices, then eccentricity and foci, length of axis, okay. And we know vertices is plus minus a0. I have to read it. Vertices are plus minus a0. So that means when you go to find out the vertices, x equal to plus minus a and y is equal to 0. What is x? X is x minus 1 and a is 4, okay. A is 4 and y is y plus 2, it is 0. So that means x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 4. X minus 1 is equal to plus minus 4. We at first here x minus 1 is equal to 4 or x minus 1 is equal to minus 4. That means we are taking positive and negative separately. So here x is equal to 5 or x minus 1 equal to, it will be minus 3. Okay, the value of x will be 5 or minus 3, and here y is equal to minus 2. So that means vertices will be 5 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 2. Okay, vertices will be 5 minus 2 and minus 3 minus 2. Okay, we get the vertices. Now we have to find out the eccentricity, and eccentricity is it is square root of 1 plus b square by s square, and we know b square is 9 and s square is 16. So after calculation we will get 16 plus 9 by 16, so it will be 25 by 16, so that means it is 5 by 4. Okay, so here the eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5 by 4. Okay, eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5 by 4. Okay, eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5 by 4. Okay, fine. Okay, please carry on. Now we have to find out the length of, eccentricity foci. Okay, so we know the foci of hyperbola is plus minus AE 0. We know the eccentricity. I am erasing the vertices. We know the eccentricity is plus minus AE 0. Okay, it is OC. X is equal to plus minus AE and y is equal to 0. X is x minus 1, plus minus A is 4 and E is 5 by 4. 4 cancelled, it will be x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 5. So if we take positive 5 plus 1, it will be 6, and if we take negative, it will be minus 4. Okay, and it is y is equal to 0. Y is nothing but y plus 2 is equal to 0, and then y is equal to minus 2. So ultimately foci will be like this: 6 minus 2 and minus 4 minus 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 and minus 4 minus 2. So it is foci. And lastly, length of axis, that means there are two axes. First one is transverse axis and another one is conjugate axis. So length of transverse axis twice a, it will be 24 is equal to 8, and length of conjugate axis 2b, it will be 23 is equal to 6. Okay, so it is the answer of solution of the problem 3.3. Okay, exercise 6.3 3.3. At first we prove that the equation is a equation of parabola. Okay, the equation is a equation of parabola. We proved it, and then we have found out the center, vertices, eccentricity, foci, and length of axis. Okay, so it is the solution of this problem. I will show you another solutions later. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.